The dawn breaks gently, a whisper in the haze. Morning light on old stone walls, coffee steam, slow footsteps call. Underneath the canvas sky, life unfurls like the petals high. A vintage tune that takes it slow, every note a memory, every breeze a glow. In the corner, a sweet old friend plays, voices rise, a gentle serenade. Echoes of the laughter fills the air, hope lingers there everywhere. Sing me down where the river flows, underneath the shade where the olive grows. With every heartbeat, love is near. Through the shadows, we'll chase the cheer. Together here, life feels so right. Under the stars, we'll find our light. Old bicycles let us roam the streets, cobbled ways where hearts and laughter meet. Faded walls with stories etched, a tapestry of life perfectly rigged. Clinking glasses, simmering pots, every shared moment I treasure alive. Every sunset casts a spell anew, painting dreams in shades of blue. In the rhythm of the night we thrive, with every breath we come alive. Sing me down where the river flows, underneath the shade where the olive grows. With every heartbeat, love is near. Through the shadows, we'll chase the cheer. Together here, life feels so right. Under the stars, we'll find our light. Sing me down where the river flows, underneath the shade where the olive grows. With every heartbeat, love is near. Through the shadows, we'll chase the cheer. Together here, life feels so right. Under the stars, we'll find our light. Sing me down where the river flows, underneath the shade where the olive grows. With every heartbeat, love is near. Through the shadows, we'll chase the cheer. Together here, life feels so right.